with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering negativity.
The iQOO Neo 10, set to launch on May 26th, is a rebranded version of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro, which was previously launched in China. Are you ready for a phone that pushes the limits of battery life and performance? Meet the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro, packed with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, lightning-fast 120-watt charging, and a powerhouse Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just getting through your day, this phone is built to keep up. Stick around to see how it stacks up in real-world use and why it might just be the phone you've been looking for. This video has been shared by my tech partner from China, so a big thanks to him for that. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Now, let's get started with the unboxing. Here's the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro box, which will hit the global market as the iQOO Neo 10. This is the top-tier variant with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, featuring a massive 7,000 mAh battery. Let's unbox it. Opening the lid, the first thing we see is the phone itself, wrapped in plastic, revealing the stunning burning orange color once unwrapped. Next, we have a sleek black silicone case for added protection. The box also includes a 120-watt power adapter with a Type-C output, supporting both PPS and PD protocols. Lastly, there's a Type-C to Type-C data cable completing the package. Start with the design of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. The model we have is the vibrant, eye-catching burning orange, impossible to miss. If you prefer something more subtle, there are also desert, sea of clouds white, and starry black options. The phone feels balanced in hand with a slim 8.09mm profile and a weight of around 206 grams. Despite housing a massive 7,000 mAh battery, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro still feels surprisingly slim and lightweight. This is thanks to iQOO's innovative semi-solid-state third-generation silicon blue ocean battery, offering higher energy density and improved performance in low temperatures. To test the 7,000 mAh battery of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro, we conducted a 5-hour heavy-use test at 25 degrees Celsius, with screen brightness set to 200 nits, volume at 50%, Wi-Fi on, and monster mode activated. After 5 hours, the phone consumed 56% of its battery. The biggest battery drains were Honor of Kings and 1080p 60 FPS videos, each consuming 16%. Meanwhile, 1080p online videos and information streaming were more efficient, using just 6% each. With such impressive endurance, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro easily handles a full day of heavy use, or up to 2 days with lighter usage. With a 7,000 mAh battery, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro eliminates battery anxiety. However, the real standout is its impressive charging speed. Thanks to a dual-cell design and 120 watts fast charging, it goes from 1 to 20% in just 5 minutes, over 50% in 15 minutes, and reaches 100% in just 30 minutes and 20 seconds. The secret lies in its optimized power management. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro's charging power initially peaks at 99.6 watts, stabilizing at around 75 watts after 2.5 minutes and 60 watts at 5 minutes, averaging 77.5 watts in the first 5 minutes and 59.9 watts in the first 15 minutes. Impressively, it maintains around 50 watts for a significant portion of the charge, enabling a full charge, 7,000 mAh in just 36 minutes and 26 seconds, leaving iPhones envious. Additionally, the phone supports up to 100 watts with the PPS protocol, 44-watt UFS charging, reverse charging, and the included 120-watt charger supports up to 100-watt PD protocol. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro conveniently charges other PD fast charging devices, allowing you to carry fewer chargers when traveling. It also supports direct drive power supply, enabling gaming or live streaming while charging, reducing heat and extending battery life. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 TSMC 4nm, featuring the advanced Yamato architecture for robust performance. It also includes iQOO's self-developed gaming chip Q1, enhancing super resolution and super frame gaming. For cooling, it features a 7,000mm square VC heatsink, the same as the iQOO 13 Flagship. To test gaming performance, we played King of Glory at 25 degrees Celsius room temperature, 200 nits brightness, and monster mode enabled. With max graphics and 120 FPS mode on, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro maintained a stable 120 FPS during a 30-minute ranked match, smooth throughout. Although power consumption reached 4.5 watts, the The 7,000 mAh battery handled it well, and temperature control was impressive, keeping the device around 40 degrees Celsius. To push the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro further, we tested Genshin Impact in Sumi City at 810p resolution. It achieved an average of 59.7 FPS with controlled power consumption at just 5.7 watts. Post-game, the maximum front temperature was 44.6 degrees Celsius, and the back reached 43.1 degrees Celsius. Overall, the phone handles demanding games smoothly while maintaining good battery life and temperature control, ideal for extended gaming sessions. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro features a flagship-level display with Huaxing C9 Plus luminous material, offering a 2800 by 1260 resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It boasts a peak brightness of 640 nits, which jumps to 2000 nits with HDR. With 99.9% sRGB and 98.4% P3 color gamut coverage, the screen delivers highly accurate and vibrant colors. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro screen is packed with eye protection features, including eye care mode, 4320 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and DC-like dimming. It also offers an anti-strobe function, accessible via developer options. Additionally, the phone supports IP65 dust and water resistance, making it resilient to splashes and light rain, a valuable bonus for everyday use. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro's camera offers solid specs for casual photography, including portrait mode and other features to capture everyday moments. However, if you're seeking the ultimate photography experience, this may not be the model for you. In summary, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro excels in battery life with its massive 7,000 mAh battery and 120 watts fast charging, offering impressive endurance and quick recovery. Powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, it handles daily tasks and mainstream games like Honor of Kings effortlessly. The quality display and IP65 dust and water resistance further enhance its appeal. Overall, the Z10 Turbo Pro offers a well-rounded user experience with solid performance and value, making it a strong contender in its category. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our full review of the upcoming iQOO Neo 10. We'll be diving into everything you need to know about this rebranded iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro launching on May 26th. Stay tuned for all the details.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a river.